This house in South Norwood has just been serviced with a brand new roof. After discovering some water inside over the festive season, a quick call to us and we discovered not only a leak, but that this roof is over 40 years old. We started working on a full roof replacement which comes with a 12-year guarantee, no deposit needed and scaffolded included in all quotes. If you want to stay worry-free and safe from the weather all year round, then feel free to speak to one of our team about our roof replacements and some of the other services we provide. Covering the South East and trusted by many happy clients over the years, Croydon Property Maintenance is your all-in-one solution to keeping your house in the best possible condition, allowing you to relax and enjoy the best parts of the British weather in peace. Give us a call today to arrange a quote.
Proud members of Checkertrade.